Y'all, hey y'all, we are almost at the house. I don't know what week we're on, but we're coming every week. So I'm almost at the house. So exciting. Okay, I'll come back so we can drive up together. Y'all, I'm so upset. I've been waiting on my I can't even be mad. I can't even be mad. Y'all, I sat down there waiting up for my daughter to come. And now it's raining, so I can't get out the car. But I'm still going to get out the car, right? Because I can. Y'all, look. Look. Y'all didn't even know that this was my house. Because it's like, y'all, look. Y'all know I can't put the window down because they sold the car and messed everything up. But look. Y'all, she took forever. And I'm just waiting because I wanted to like walk up there, let her see with me, like walk up there with me so we can see together. So we're gonna have to come back tomorrow. But hold on, let me go down and come back up. Hold on.